If you want to emulate an operating system on your own PC, you'll need a VirtualBox. First, go to the virtualbox.org. The download link is in the description. Click on this big blue icon to download the program. Select your operating system. I'm on Windows, so I'll select this Windows hosts. After the download is finished, start the installation. You can leave everything as it is. Allow this Oracle to install the device software. My recommendation is to restart your PC after the installation. Start the VirtualBox. Click New. Over here you can choose the name and operating system you want to emulate. And set the memory you want to use on your virtual machine. And this is how you install VirtualBox on Windows 10. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.